Hey everybody, we've got lots of Dinotrux Garby toys to show you today. But the coolest one just came out in stores, and it is the Stego storage Garby. You can store up to 10 of your die-cast toys in here, and it has a ramp for them to roll down and come out his mouth. Look at this. He's gonna eat your die-cast. And it comes with a Dinotrux here. And I cannot wait to get this open and see how many of our die-casts we can fit in there. And look at this. We've got lots of die-casts. These are all Dinotrux. We've got Destrux. We've got the Dragon Flopter. We've got this guy, Sawmetrodon. He is awesome. Here's Tun and Green Dinotrux, Jouer, Shadow Dinotrux, Dinotrux with his battle armor, and what else? Oh, here's a Rollodon, and don't forget Revit, and we've got Waldo and Ace in here somewhere. There we go. He's cool. He shoots glue. And here is Skya with her battle armor, and Flynn. So we've got lots of die-casts that we're going to try and put in this new play set. And we're going to show you all of our other Garby toys. This guy is awesome. He's my favorite. He talks and he shoots things out his backside. I can't wait to show that to you. But let's get this out of the box and then we'll get started. It's so big. This is so cool. Hey, I bet we can put the little Revit here. Here's Revit. Let's see if he fits. Oh, that's so awesome. So we can put Revit here and Ace. Oh, and here's our little tour tool. And there we can save our little rep tools on the side. That is so awesome. Let's see. Oh, we get to put 3 more. Let's get 3 more rep tools. Here's Scrap It, and here's an Auto and a Toa Constrictor. Does he fit on here? He does. And another wrench tool. This is so cool. I love that. Now let's get Garby opened up. We're going to push the little latch up here and pull him open. Just like this. And here's his mouth. It looks like he's ready to eat something. And here's some spots for some more of our rep tools. And we can put them in here. Here is a purple tour tool. We'll put him right here. And Waldo can go right here. Very, very nice. Now let's see who else we can get in here. Let's start with this side. We've got Skya, so we're going to put her right here. And here is Tun and Garby. We'll put a Garby inside Garby. And then we're going to flip it around to the other side. There we go. We've got 4 slots for 4 more. So here's the tie that came with it. Here's Dozer. He's really cool. He's one of my favorites. I'm going to put him right there. Destrux, the bad guy. And then we've got a Pounder. And he's always pounding things and causing trouble. We'll put him right here. When you're all done filling up the 2 sides, you can come to the center and lift this up. And you can put some in here. Now you have these little dividers that you can move around and put them wherever you want. And it's also a good place to throw some of your extra core tools and your rep tools and maybe a scraptodactyl, and then it closes right up. Now let's see if we can get this thing closed without losing any of our guys. We did it! That is awesome! Now that we've got them all put in there, let's try out this ramp. Let's let Tun try it first. He loves a good ramp. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! He did it great. Now if you want, you can open up the mouth so that they roll out. Let's try Garby. Here we go. Oh, he did that awesome. Can we do a rep tool? Almost made it. Tun-tun! Garby! Skya! Oh, she fell on her face. Here's Ty. Tyrux. Very good. Who else wants to try? What about Dozer? Good job, Dozer. Rekka. Looks like she's causing a wreck. Here comes the Thaumetrodon. Rollodon. Rolling over people. Out of my way. Roar. Here comes Flynn. Oh, he fell on his face. All right, let's load everybody back up. Here's Dozer and Skya. We're gonna set her sideways. And here is our purple tour tool. On this side, we have Ty. And we're gonna put Garby over here. Now let's try and close it up and see what happens. Hey, that worked pretty well. We didn't lose anybody. And let's put our Toa Constrictor over here. And Waldo. There we go. Ace. And you can't forget about Click Clack. He's one of our favorites. And it's all put together. Woohoo! That is an awesome Garby toy. Here are a few of our other Garby toys. This one is a pullback racer. And watch what happens when he races. I love that. And here is one of my favorites. This guy talks and he shoots things out.
Name's Garby.
Name's Garby. Look at what he shoots out. He always gasses off after a big meal. These are the little rocks that he shoots out, and you put them in his mouth like this, and then turn him around.
I'm a mean green eating machine.
And that's how he works.
It's recycling time.
And he's really neat. You also have the Garby Diecast that we put in here, so you saw that. And this is the Garby Play-Doh set. And he's really neat because you can put Play-Doh in him, and you put little balls in there, and he shoots the balls out his backside. But it's Play-Doh. And you have these cool molds that you can make the rocks with. And here are some more molds where you can make a tour tool or a bit bug. But I really enjoyed showing you these cool toys. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.